Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import a CSV file into your SQLite database in Android application using Kotlin. In the previous video we created a code by which we can export the data of our application into internal storage of the phone. You can see that we already generated or created a layout for that. Now I will make a button. It will be 150dp in 50dp. The ID of this button will be button import. Top to bottom of button export. Start to start of parent and end to end of parent. We will set the text of this button import from CSV. Now open the Kotlin file. Here, privately defined variable button import. Button import will equal to find view by ID r.id, the ID we given before for the button. Now open this file and add a dependency. Click on synchronize now. After a successful build, go to the Kotlin file. In here, add a few things. Privately defined variable launcher. Launcher is activity result launcher for intent. Launcher will equal to register for activity result. Activity result contracts dot start activity for result. And here result. So if the result is okay, it means it doesn't have a problem. So we can continue to our code. After all, use the following code to read the CSV file. We will use for loop to transfer data to our database. As you can see in the database helper file that we have two things, which is data name and the other one is number. A toast to show that data is successfully imported. Let's quickly recheck our code. Now set click listener for button import. Var intent. Intent type will be text for CSV. And action will be get content from the file up. After everything is set, connect your device. If it is virtual or physical, no problem. Connect your device and check the application on that. I have a CSV file in my internal storage. I will import that into my application. And then I will click export data to see that is it working or not. So this is the file manager app. I will find app and click on exports. But before this, I want to show you that which file I imported to my application. Name plus number is the CSV file which I imported to my application. Now we have to check this in the exports. So it is successfully done. Goodbye.